We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this spice, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as star anise, with an emphasis on the second syllable of the word anise. Star anise. In American English, however, this is usually said as star anise, with an emphasis on the first syllable of the word anise. Star anise versus star anise. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.